In today's video, I'm going to tell you about this tool right here, what it is, and how to use it. Coming up next. So what is it? Well, it's a compact sawhorse. And the thing is this. Well, I want to say this right off the bat, folks, before we even get started. This is not a sponsored video. This is a tool that I recently purchased, and I gotta tell you, I just fell in love with it. Folks, you know, whenever I find a tool that I really like, I just gotta share it with you, right? Now, what I like is the fact that it's compact and I don't have a lot of space to give up, especially since I built wooden sawhorses a few years back. They're stackable, but again, they still just take up too much space, and I just don't have that to give right now. Plus, I like to be able to load it up in my van, my sawhorses up in my van, and it becomes very clumsy. Now, I did initially run out and buy plastic foldable sawhorses, but I gotta tell you, I marched those right to the garbage because they couldn't shoulder any weight. I put a few tools on top and they collapsed. So I just can't take that risk with my tools, and I don't want a tool that can't perform its job. They couldn't, I gotta tell you, this can. Now let me show you how they work, why they're so convenient, because, well, they've got some nice features, okay? So let me show you what I love about these sawhorses. Now this right here, this is our trigger, and all you have to do is pull it upward and it releases the legs. Now let me show you how you pull the release to close the legs. And what will happen is, this is the underside. There's a release bar here that you pull, and it allows you to place the legs inside of the sawhorse. Now I want to tell you this, Bora, they thought of everything. You can attach a piece of sacrificial wood like this right here, so you don't damage the top of your sawhorse if you want to. And what they've done is there are pre-drilled holes to make it really easy for you to attach a 2x4 like I have. Unlike those flimsy plastic sawhorses, this sawhorse here, just one, can support 1,800 pounds. And a pair, you're looking at 3,600 pounds it can support. Now, I want you to check out this innovative feature. I really like this a lot. See this? This little notch here? Well, what it's for is so that you can take a 2x4 like this and rest it right there in that notch. And what that allows you to do is to build a table or a platform. I'll place a link in the description below so you can check out the Bora Speedhorses for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.